What if the next big leap in artificial intelligence wasn't just about smarter apps, but about redefining America's future? That's exactly what's happening right now. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on AI's future. Chairman Eric Burlison recently addressed Congress about what he called America's AI moonshot, a bold new era where artificial intelligence could transform everything from healthcare and manufacturing to defense, education, and finance. Burlison emphasized that AI is one of the most powerful technological shifts of our time. In healthcare, it's helping doctors develop advanced cancer screening and treatment plans. In manufacturing, it's predicting equipment failures before they happen, saving lives, time, and billions of dollars. And in defense, AI is improving decision-making to better protect American troops. This transformation is being powered by massive investment and leadership from both the public and private sectors. President Trump has launched a major initiative backed by a $500 billion partnership between OpenAI, Oracle, SoftBank, and MGX. This project, named Stargate, is designed to build out AI infrastructure and push the boundaries of what's possible. To solidify this effort, President Trump signed Executive Order 14179, aiming to enhance America's global leadership in AI while promoting economic growth, security, and innovation. But the road ahead isn't simple. One major concern is power. Data centers, which are critical for AI, already consume 4.4% of America's electricity. By 2028, that number could rise to as high as 12%. This explosion in energy demand is forcing power companies to rethink infrastructure planning on a massive scale. There's also a significant need for talent. An estimated 100,000 jobs will need to be filled to support this AI moonshot. In Northern Virginia, where 70% of the world's internet traffic intersects, the data center industry alone supports 74,000 jobs and contributes over $9 billion annually to Virginia's GDP. Burlison made it clear: the country that masters next-generation AI first will unlock massive economic value and drive a new era of human achievement. He praised the Trump administration's vision and urged Congress to work hand-in-hand with the private sector to make this future a reality. Want to learn more about how AI is changing the world? Be sure to check out the related video in the corner now.